Introducing the Love Bowl, an exquisite rose quartz crystal carved bowl with crystal carved birds and crystal butterflies. A masterpiece honoring nature. Embrace the pure essence of love, beauty, and harmony with the Love Bowl. This is an enchanting work of art carved from beautiful rose quartz from Brazil. The exquisite bowl radiates warmth and gentle energy, making it a symbol of unconditional love and serenity. Delicately adorned with the hand-carved crystal birds and butterflies, this masterpiece captures the magic of nature's embrace. The birds symbolize freedom and devotion, while the butterflies represent transformation and the soul's journey, creating a piece that speaks to the heart. Each bowl is a one-of-a-kind treasure, celebrating the natural variations of the rose quartz with its soft pink hues and ethereal glow. Whether used as a sacred altar piece or on your dining room table, it is a centerpiece of tranquility. The Love Bowl invites peace, romance, and spiritual connection into any space. Hand-carved from premium rose quartz, accented with crystal butterflies and birds, a timeless treasure of love, renewal, and harmony. Let the Love Bowl fill your home with the gentle whispers of nature and the eternal glow of love. Available at robinnola.com. This is available as custom orders, and you can choose your birds and butterflies, or if you want all birds or all butterflies, it's up to you. You can create your own masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and visit us at robinnola.com. Thank you.